Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Trust Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Trust Wallet on your phone, tap on get started given at the bottom. You can see then two options will pop up: create a new wallet and create existing wallet and add existing wallet. Tap on create a new wallet, create yourself a password, confirm it. If you want secret phrase, you can create. If you want Swift, you can create whatever you want. Backup manually. We're gonna skip it for now, and there we go. We have created ourselves an account. We can add the passkeys afterwards when we want, but that is basically it, and hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.